Do your legs ever just give out? One step, and suddenly your knees feel weak, your body hesitates, as if your legs forgot how to move. If that's been happening, stop blaming age, because this is not getting old. It's your body asking for movement, the right kind of movement. And today, we'll fix that together. Stay with me until the end. I'll show you a nutrition secret that helps your muscles recover faster and makes every step feel lighter. And most people never do. Because when your legs get stronger, your confidence comes back. And every step reminds you that freedom doesn't fade. It returns. Let's begin. You're stronger than you think. Before we move, make sure you're sitting safely. A sturdy chair, flat surface, no wheels. You can also do these exercises standing behind the chair for balance. And hey, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel Better Legs, Better Life. Move at your pace. If anything hurts, stop. We'll demo one full series for each exercise. Then you can pause and repeat 2 more sets to complete the 10 minutes. Keep water nearby, breathe, and remember, consistency beats intensity. Ready? Let's wake up your legs. Sit tall, hands on your thighs or at your sides. Now slowly lift one knee, then the other. That's 1 repetition. We'll go for 10. Smooth and steady. 1. Feel that lift coming from your hips. Each movement wakes up your circulation. Your blood is moving again. Energy returning. Your muscles remember what strength feels like. Good. Keep breathing. You're retraining your legs to trust themselves again. Every lift is a step toward balance and stability. And 10. Beautiful. That's the first round. If you repeat this 2 more times, you've just completed the first minute of your new daily comeback. Let's keep the rhythm. Your legs are ready for more. Now we'll practice the most important movement for independence. Standing up. Place your feet shoulder width apart, hands on your thighs if you need support. Press through your heels, lift your chest, and rise slowly. Then sit back down with control. That's 1 repetition. Perfect. Now feel that power in your thighs. You're building real strength, the kind that keeps you steady when you get up in the morning. Push from your legs, not your arms. Each lift rewires your balance system. Your knees, hips, and brain working together again. Don't rush. Slow and steady wins this one. Keep breathing. Inhale as you sit. Exhale as you rise. Nice. You're getting stronger every second. And 10, amazing control. That's how you rebuild confidence. 1 stand at a time. Take a breath, shake your legs gently, and stay with me. Now let's work on your calves and ankles, the shock absorbers of your body. Sit tall, feet flat. Lift your heels, lower them. Now lift your toes and lower. That's 1 cycle. Perfect. As your heels rise, blood flows upward, refreshing your legs. As your toes lift, your shins strengthen, helping prevent those sudden give-outs. Each movement may feel small, but it's powerful. You're improving circulation and balance at the same time. Feel that gentle burn in your calves. That's life returning to your legs. Keep the pace calm and steady. And 10. Wonderful. That was your body saying thank you. You're literally training your blood to flow better. Let's move to something that locks this stability in place. Sit tall again. Slide your right foot forward. Straighten your leg fully. Hold for a second. Then lower. Now the left leg. Alternate slowly. That's 1 repetition. Beautiful. Feel your knees working, your quads tightening to protect your joints. This is your built-in knee brace. Stronger muscles mean less pain. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Breathe naturally. Each extension adds control, stability, and support when you walk or climb stairs. This is how you keep your legs from giving out, not with machines, but with mindful movement. Good. Stay steady. And 10. Fantastic work. Now your knees are awake and your legs are remembering what strength feels like again. You just reactivated every major muscle and circulation pathway in your legs. But there's one more step that makes all this stick. What you feed your muscles after moving. Let's talk about the one food that can help your legs stay strong long after the workout ends. After 60, your muscles lose protein faster than your body can replace it. That's called sarcopenia. But you can fight back naturally. The secret? Amaranth. A small bowl of cooked amaranth, or 1 scoop added to your smoothie or soup, provides a rare protein your muscles can actually absorb. It's rich in lysine, which rebuilds tissue and strengthens tendons. Combine that with pumpkin seeds for magnesium, easing cramps and improving contraction, and a banana, or a hydration drink for potassium, and you have a simple daily trio that fuels recovery. This combination doesn't just feed your body. It wakes it up from the inside. Your legs will feel steadier, lighter, more alive. Look how far you've come. One routine. One small victory. Every lift, every breath, every repetition today brought you closer to strength you thought was gone. Do this for just 7 days, and you'll never look at standing up the same way again. You took action today. That matters more than you think. 10 minutes a day, 7 days. That's all it takes to stop legs from giving out. If this helped you, subscribe, like, and share it. Someone you love might be quietly struggling the same way. Keep moving, keep nourishing your body, and keep believing in your legs. They still have miles left to walk because your journey doesn't end when you slow down. It restarts the moment you decide to rise again. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep reclaiming your freedom. You've got this.